Hey guys, what's up? It's Alexa Rose. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sitting down to talk to you guys and give you a quick tutorial on this cute little fun, messy curly ponytail with extensions. It's perfect for summer and just when you don't feel like washing your hair and you're on second or third day. So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this ponytail. So first off, I just wanted to follow up on these. Honestly, they are awesome. I love them. I toned them so they match my hair, finally. And I've been wearing them all month long. I wanted to wait a little bit to, really be able to get an idea of how the hair is because, something may seem great at first and then turn out to be really, really crappy, like all my ex-boyfriends. Oh God, that was so mean. I'm gonna jump right into the tutorial. I've already gone ahead and just kind of like half-ass curled my hair. So I'm gonna hit it with some dry shampoo. This is one of my personal favorites. The Herbal Essences is really good. It makes my hair feel clean. It gives it a lot of texture and a lot of volume. So now that we're all dry shampooed up, I'm gonna go ahead and I like to leave some pieces down in the front just to frame my face because I look really weird without it. Big forehead, weird hairline. Boom. I look insane. So what you're gonna do is leave some space right here to cover the halo. And you're going to divide a smaller ponytail. Don't be afraid to make it pretty high because this right here is where your actual ponytail is going to sit once you are finished. So be sure you place it in the, I feel like I'm talking through, I feel like the girl from The Ring. So you see how this is sectioned. Do a smaller pony. I still have some hair down the back. I like to leave a good bit of hair down the back. You will see why later. So you're going to take your V Sunny Halo extension, which looks a little crinkled because it's been in the box, and you are going to take the wire, if I could ever get it out. Still going. Wow, this is the hardest part of the tutorial. Got it! I'm gonna turn around because it's probably easier for you to see from the back. I'm going to open the clips. And I am going to start to clip this in around that smaller ponytail that I created. I like to kind of follow around that line instead of, I know some people like putting it around the actual pony and wrapping it, but I think that it makes it look bulky when you tie your hair up versus this lays a little bit flatter on my weirdly shaped head. And now you're finished. Just kidding. We can see each other now. Great, good to see you. I look like a hot mess. I swear to God, it doesn't look like a hot mess when you're finished. I'm gonna take this front piece of your hair that's not sectioned off, and you're gonna use an actual teasing comb or, anything like that, but I'm a savage, so I'm just going to use my brush. And the dry shampoo gives a really great texture for back combing so you can get a lot of volume. We're going to start to kind of smooth your actual hair up around this ponytail. And you need to be gentle with the brush because if you catch onto the weft and you pull it, that shit hurts. We're gonna bring it up to where that ponytail is inside. Tie it off. Good shit. Now that we're up and running with this ponytail, I like to pull a few pieces forward to give it a little bit more volume and a little bit more of that messy appeal. I like to pull this back a little bit and then kind of shimmy it. I'm gonna take my curling iron and just go over these front pieces. I like to pull on it after it comes out and it'll give you a looser curl. And then I'm just gonna separate this in two right here and just start grabbing a few pieces. I honestly love this curling iron. It was given to me by my best friend, my college roommate. Shout out Brooke. I know it's a bed head. Yep, bed head, and I'm pretty sure she said she got it for like $20 forever ago from like Target or something. And I love it. It's amazing. It's really good for just popping out quick curl. There's no temperature control on it, so like Lord knows what I'm doing to my hair right now. But I did put heat protectant on beforehand. I didn't show that on camera. I'm sorry. Always use heat protectant because otherwise you're gonna end up with a fucked up ass head. So, your call. You guys know that meme of the dog where everything is on fire and he's just like, it's fine. It's me. I am just going to curl both sides away from my face. Feel free to curl however you like. I know a lot of people like to, you know, change the pattern of the curls. It makes it look more natural and it keeps them from blending together on your head, but depending on the look you're going for, like I just kind of want like a smoother curl tonight. Don't mind me hitting boxes because my room's a mess because I can't stop ordering packages. I just dropped that. Just gonna go right ahead and run my fingers through a little bit. You might notice that this hair's a little bit messy. I'm sorry, it was stored in the box and has hairspray in it, but it's fine. And so one of the final steps, you're going to take a small piece from the bottom of your ponytail, preferably, you know, your natural hair, because who cares about the shorter pieces? Leave the longer pieces out. And you're just gonna wrap that right around the base of your ponytail and take a bobby pin and swoop that right in there. And I like to put in two just for security's sake. Here is the final look. Cute for summer. Okay, and this look is finished. Nice and cute and messy and fun for summer. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to like and subscribe down below. Hope to see you next time. That was the worst wink I have ever given. No. All right. Thanks, guys. See you next time.